If you're not in the way, you don't need to get more out of the way. Let me show you what I mean. Let's break this down. My student notices the white van approaching and doesn't feel comfortable that there is enough room for both. That is absolutely fine. The issue is rather than just waiting, say, here, they keep going. This has led to my student being positioned quite close to the curb, and combining that with still having the signal on, has confused the driver of the red vehicle behind. Should the driver behind have done this? No, but had we taken up a clearer position, it would have been a lot less likely. Straightening the steering wheel and continuing a little further forwards from this viewpoint would have been ideal. That small difference in the position is what invited the overtake. Our positioning is a way of communicating what we intend to do and what is happening ahead. Keep it clear. And remember, if you're not in the way, you don't need to get more out of the way.